Hi friends, today we are going to remove this panel in Mitsubishi Lancer 2008, and we are first going to take off this stereo out, and I'll show you how we can add AUX in this car. Because if you switch on this car, and so by pressing this CD button, you have to keep pressed. So now it's in CD. If you keep it pressed, it will go to AUX. So all that, but actually in this car it doesn't have AUX here. So I'll tell you how we can add the AUX in this car. So first, open this glove box. There is a screw in here. You just need to take this off, and this panel will come off. And after this, you'll get access to another screw which holding this panel here. So you have to take off that screw as well, and then we're gonna remove this panel. So we remove this panel, and now you don't need to unscrew anything after this. You just have to gently take this stereo off like that. You have to be careful with here. Yep. Sweet. So after taking off these 4 screws here, 2 on front here and 2 down there, you can take this off easily. So we don't need to do anything with this connector, but we'll take out this connector off by just pressing this knob here, and yeah, easy. And now I'll show you which pins we can use to hook up our RCA connector in here. So in some of models, if you're holding this connector like this and this knob facing upward, so taking this black and white as a reference, this pink wire, blue wire and black one, maybe in some of cars you don't have those wires, but in this model we already have this wire going in somewhere, but we don't have still AUX there. So we'll can just use these 3 wires to connect our AUX. So here the AUX socket I got. Once you're gonna strip it out, you'll get 3 wires. So the red one will go with pink, white one will go with blue, and black will go with black. So I'll show you after finishing. So guys, I'll show you as I made this connection. So red going to this pink wire here, black going to this pink, white going to this blue wire here. And you have to make sure, if you can cut this off, these wires from originally where they were going, that would be good, because they were just generating some noise and that wasn't a clear sound. That's why I cut this off, and still it's working for our AUX. So guys, after installing our AUX socket, which probably you can see here, yep, that's more better view. So this AUX connector is coming from inside. Actually we got, as we open this, so we thought why not we connect our Bluetooth as well, doing a hardwire. So that's our Bluetooth module which we have connected to our stereo using AUX. Thanks.